Hi everybody, my name is Philip and I'm an associate attorney here at Vicente Sederberg, and today I'm here to talk to you about the exciting rulemaking process that is going on right now with the newly renamed Marijuana Enforcement Division. Now, as you all know, on July 1st we received the draft regulations that are going to govern the implementation of adult use marijuana here in Colorado. And as you all know, those regulations are going to be subject to change and they're going to be reviewed in the next month or two. And the final regulations are going to be done on October 1st this year when the localities have to start accepting applications. So what I want to talk to you about today is the way that the rulemaking process is going to unfold and how things are going to look going forward. Right now, there's going to be 5 different working groups in order to conduct this review of the rules that were promulgated on July 1st. Now, these working groups, much like we saw with the Amendment 64 task force that the governor called, are going to talk about various issues, various nuances, and various parts of the law, and then they're all going to get together and pass recommendations on to the Department of Revenue that will then review them and then implement them into law starting October 1st. So what I want to tell you right now is that the working groups are going to be a licensing, licensed premise, transportation, and storage working group, a licensed entity and inventory tracking group, a labeling, packaging, and product safety and advertising group, a record keeping, enforcement, and discipline group, and lastly, a medical differentiation group. Now, as I said, all of these groups are going to be focused on different aspects of the rules and how these rules need to be reviewed, revised, and what's going to best work for the regulatory environment going forward. The first working group meeting is going to be held today on July 17th, and that's going to take place from 1 to 5 p.m. at the Ralph Carr Judicial Building. Now, this first working group that's going to meet today is the licensing, licensed premise, transportation, and storage working group. Tomorrow, the licensed entities and inventory tracking working group will be meeting, and that meeting is also going to take place from 1 to 5 p.m. However, it will be taking place at the Marijuana Enforcement Division's office, which is located at 455 Sherman Street. Other working group meetings are going to take place next week, and we will detail you with those working group meetings as they unfold. In addition to providing you with the dates and the times of each meeting, we will also give you a summary of each meeting after they happen, so you can remain fully aware of what's going on at each working group meeting. As I previously said, the best way to get involved in this process is to attend the meetings, to pay close attention, to provide public comment, or even to provide a written comment, which the Department of Revenue will be accepting until August 15th of this year. Now, the written comments preferably should be submitted on Department of Revenue forms, which can be found on the Department of Revenue's website for Amendment 64. This concludes my update regarding the working group meetings that are going to take place, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to contact any member of the Vicente Sederberg staff, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.